Welcome to the 2013 Dragon Boat Challenge in aid of the fantastic charity When You Wish Upon a Star. 560 rowers are here today battling the elements to raise money for some very, very special children. We'd like to say a massive thank you to everybody who's taken part and everybody who has come along to cheer.
Day. Well, it's not ended yet because I've got to run that bar and that burger van as well. Have a burger and change pants.
Absolutely going to do it every year until I drown.
I'm just giving them out for the team, yes. But yeah, we did well for the last one, didn't we?
Yeah, really enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Thoroughly enjoying it. We're coming near the last, but who cares? It's participating what counts. Really good fun.
Oh, it's been fantastic. It's been really good.
Second in our races, but we're doing all right. Just time, I'll be happy.
Well, we won, so yeah.
It's freezing, yeah.
Very cool. Terry went over. Yeah. Oh, don't blame me.
I think the way he cheered.
Yeah, they're blaming me for it. Fantastic day. Great atmosphere.
A lot of fun,
yes. They meet a lot of people. Have a lot of fun. Get wet.
Thank you.
Hey, mate, yeah. Absolutely brilliant. Great day out, enjoy it. Raising money, it's fantastic.
We're halfway through the day. Charlie's Angels are leading. That's my husband's team. I'm quite biased and delighted. But it's just been a fantastic day. Everybody has been so generous. Everybody's raised so much money. On behalf of the charity, we would like to say a very special thank you for coming along, for joining in, and hopefully for having lots of fun for a fantastic cause.
Oh my gosh, it's been absolutely awesome.